Hey besties, and thank you so much for clicking on this video. If you're new here, my name is Lindsay Johnson. I love makeup, skincare, and hanging out with you guys. And in today's video, I am very freaking excited, you guys, because we're going to be playing with something from Maybelline, which I don't think I've done on this channel in a really long time. And these are the Superstay Vinyl Ink lip colors. I have 3 of them. These are not that new anymore. I got them when they were relatively new, but I just put it off for so long because I had a lot going on. But we are getting to it today. Now this will be a wear test and review. First impressions anyways. It's not going to be a full-fledged review because I do need to go ahead and wear these for a good amount of hours before I can give a solid review just because of what this product is. So essentially, they're supposed to be lip products that you put on. Supposed to be a little bit glossy, I believe, like shiny, but at the same time they are not supposed to budge. These are $11.99. I only got 3 shades because the last Maybelline 24-hour kind of product I tried, I don't know if these were 24 hours, but the last long wear product I tried from Maybelline, their lipsticks anyways, was a little bit overly drying, so it wasn't very comfortable for me. So I just wanted to play it safe and only get 3. Plus, I didn't like the other shades as much as these ones. And again, these are $11.99. I'm going to go ahead and read the details and then we're going to get right into the swatches. The details say, shake up your long wear with Maybelline's Vinyl Ink lip color. This no budge lip color lasts up to 16 hours with its color lock formula that defies smudging and transfer. Simply shake and swipe. It says benefits, no budge vinyl color, up to 16-hour wear, formulated with caring ingredients, which help provide a comfortable feel. So we're just going to try it on. I'm kind of curious. And let's start with this shade right here, which is 15, called Peachy. I love, love, love peachy colors. And I do really like the packaging of these. I think the packaging is really great for drugstore. Ooh, a lot of pigment. It smells just like the lip crayons, you guys, which I love. So this is the shade Peachy. I freaking love it. I can feel it slowly drying down, but yeah, it still does look shiny, which I like as well. It says shake for at least 5 seconds before applying. Apply as you normally would to clean, dry lips and let fully dry. So we're going to wait for a couple more seconds and then I'm going to go ahead and kiss the back of my hand to see if there is transfer. It says flammable until dry, so do not use near fires, flames, or heat. I feel like I need to tell you guys that. I feel pretty obligated. And we're just going to kiss the back of my hand. But yeah, there is still a shine to it. It feels good on the lips, not too heavy. Oh, it works. Okay. Nothing. That hasn't happened for me in a minute. Okay, Maybelline. Okay. That's really freaking cool, you guys. Like, that's really cool. I didn't know. I thought a little bit would come off because typically that's what happens. A little bit of excess always ends up coming up a little bit for me, but that's really cool. I will say it is a little dry, not too crazy, but I do feel it on my lips a little bit. But oh my goodness, like for a night out, like a date night, I don't care about a little bit of dryness. I'll wear this because to be able to give kisses and also eat and also drink stuff, I don't care about dryness. Wow. And it makes my lip lines look really good as well. Yeah, I really like this, you guys. Wow. I just wiped off like all my foundation above my lip. Next up is the shade Witty. I think there was also a shade called Cheeky that I really wanted to try as well, but they were sold out. Also, don't mind my nails. I just took my fake ones off and I won't be getting those for a long time. Ooh. And this is just a really beautiful mauve shade. I do believe it's dried down. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, so a little bit came up on the hand, but not a lot. Maybe it wasn't fully dried down yet, but for the sake of the video, I'm just really excited to keep going with the shades. But I still think that's pretty good, to be honest. And I don't know, it looks really pretty. I obviously like the other shade a little bit more, but I feel like for my neutral days like today, this is a really pretty color. I like it. This shade is called Red Hot, and it does look like it's gonna be red hot. Ooh. Definitely needs 2 coats. Yeah, this one definitely had to be layered a little bit. Got some on my teeth. I love this one more than the one before, and maybe even more than the peachy one. So this is what it looks like. It is in the process of drying down. I love this with the eye look we have going on. I feel super confident going out right now with this lip, with this eye look. Probably with like a black shirt kind of thing. I think that'd be really hot and sexy. I love this shirt so freaking much. Oh my gosh, I love this lip color so freaking much. I also like this shirt, but that's not what I meant to say. I am gonna let this sit for a second and then we are gonna do the transfer test. This is what this one looks like. I'm very excited to see if it transfers or not. So again, very minimal, but still a little bit there. I think you could get away with eating and stuff like that without it, you know, transferring onto things though. But yeah, just a little bit right there, just a little bit. But other than that, I mean, that's pretty good. Let's try it again. Yeah, there you go. So I'm actually really happy about these guys. I didn't think I would like them as much as I do. I will say they're gonna be a little bit dry on the lips. Probably by the end of the day, very dry on the lips. But I don't mind that a lot because at the end of the day, I am only probably gonna wear this for date nights where I'm out for like 2 hours at like a restaurant or something, not like all day. But if you guys do want to see a wear test with this product, like maybe seeing if it actually does hold up for 16 hours, let me know and I will try to make that happen for you. I love you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one, besties. Bye!